Good morning and namaste. Whenever we face any kind of domestic appliance problem, immediately we consult a third person or we consult a consent technician. Okay, that's fine. That is 100% fine. But before doing that, what I suggest is just think a while and you put your own thought in that. I'm not asking you to execute it. Just put a thought to arrive at a basic understanding of it. Recently, my ceiling fan is producing humming sound. It's it's slow speed. Then what I thought, immediately what we get, okay, its capacitor might go on. We normally think that no. Immediately what I did, I put the same thing, ceiling fan is producing humming sound at slow speed in the YouTube. I get many videos. Then in one video I found that the probable reason might be because of the regulator. There are two kinds of regulator. One is movable and one is step. In the movable there is no numbers. In the step there is a numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In one room I have a step type regulator. The fan is not producing any sound. In other room the fan is producing sound. Okay, recently I have changed it to movable type. Okay, the probable reason might be because of the regulated type, which is of movable. Therefore, firstly, what I do, I will try to connect a step type regulator and verify it. If not, then let us think of furthermore. Thank you. Thanks for watching.